If you're considering gifting money to your family, don't forget about using 529 accounts. These are great accounts that can be used whether your goal is to pay for a textbook in college or leave a multi-generational legacy for your family. The basic features of these accounts make them a great option for just about everyone. Contributions can provide a state tax deduction, and the proceeds in the account can grow tax-free for many years to come. Recent laws have also given savers added options to use their 529 accounts. They can now be used for K-12 private education, paying off student loans, and can even help fund Roth IRAs. However, these accounts are a very overlooked way to make sizable gifts to your family for those worried about estate tax issues or for those looking to leave a family legacy. Contributions to 529s count as a gift, and so they fall under the same annual exclusions as any other gift. However, 529s can be super funded with up to 5 years of gifting done all at once. In 2025, for a married couple, this means you can gift up to $190,000 per individual without having to worry about any tax or gifting documentation. Then here's the legacy piece. 529s do not expire. You can use the proceeds that aren't used for education for funding Roth IRAs, and any unused expenses can then be passed down to future grandchildren or even great-grandchildren to be used decades in the future. 529s were always great educational savings accounts, but now they're becoming incredible ways to do tax-efficient gifting for your family. If you're considering ways to leave a legacy for your family and have that legacy grow for generations to come, consider using 529 accounts.